This 2017 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Sedona Decor, Sable Maple Hardwood Cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, Skylight, slideout, external shower, awning, air conditioning, TV, leveling jacks, water heater, TV antenna, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2017 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is built on a Freightliner XCR Tag chassis and is powered by a Cummins ISL 450 engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.